Good morning guys and welcome back to Kilford's Fishing. Today we're back up Lepe on the sluice gate, an earlier start, and we're joined with Matt from All the Gear, No Idea.
Morning.
So we've decided to get up early, didn't we?
Right, you did.
Yeah, I did. About 3:30 I was up, you
Yeah.
come about 4:30,
Yeah.
and we're down here, it's about 5 o'clock now. So we're waiting for that tide to come up. And the reason we're up so early is because we only had an hour up here on Thursday, and I thought I want to kind of meet this place and fish the tide out with as much as I could. So here we are.
Here we are. Gonna have a go.
We're going to have a go, mate, aren't we?
Gonna be some bass on it. Well, on your rod at least.
You can't put yourself down this early, mate. It might be you catches all the bass.
Still asleep, mate. My eyes ain't opened up yet.
He was still half asleep when he come and got me. So what we'll do, guys, is we'll get set up and I'll bring you back. Well, guys, we have got Dad. I think he's just about to turn up now, and he's going to fish with us today as well, which is brilliant. The way I'm going to fish this, guys, I've not got the rod set up yet. We've still got about 50 yards before we got some water, and I'm going to fish both rods on a running ledger with a light little gripper on there, so I can get that bend in the tip. I'm sure we should see a fish today, guys. This is the part 2 of the fishing Lepe after a bass. What I'm going to do is I'm going to Dad's off his head. He's off his head. That noise you heard was Dad doing handbrake turns down here. But anyway, guys, we'll give it another half hour and we'll be getting them rods out. So sit tight and let's get into some action. I can see a little chance we can get a rod out now. That sun is just starting to break now. It was forecast rain this morning. I ain't going to jinx it, but we haven't seen any yet. I've seen a little bit of a spit, but that's all right. It's normally the times you don't have a bivvy, it absolutely pisses down on you, isn't it? My goal today, fishing this place, is not to leave my rod tip on the floor, or not to lay my rod down. And also, just beat the camera. And also, it's to see if we can have a bass, like we did the other day. We're going to fish the exact same as we did, nothing no different, and not a lot of distance at all. I'm not going to be hitting it out at distance, just going to be casting into that margin there, just off that little stream that runs past us. And with a bit of luck, guys, we'll see a fish. Well, Matt's got a fish already, guys.
You got a zoom on that camera. We live, we?
Yeah, we're live, mate.
Here's monster.
There we go, those first fish.
Place to start.
It is a start, mate. If they're out there already.
Swallowed the hook.
Well, there we are, guys. That's your first fish already. Here he is, guys. Here he is. He's here. He's on time.
Here we are, down at Lepe. Early birds, a bit early if you ask me, but there you go.
early bird gets the worm.
Yeah,
I was planning on being here about 3 o'clock.
yeah, well, you're demented.
What do you reckon, Dad?
I'm going to have a look the other side of that sluice gate. And,
Looks bassy, doesn't it? Right, let's get some worms on this hook, guys. And this is the first rod going out there. You guys probably won't be able to see the rod tips yet, but the sun is just coming up. There we go. Right, let's walk on down and get this first rod out there, guys. And then we'll get the second one set up and we'll fire away. There we are, guys. The first rod's out there. My little plan is, if we find a place where we're catching fish, I'm going to part 1 and part 2 it, so I can show you guys that sometimes places might not be the same every time you come. But I'm hoping if we make the most of this tide today, we might have a chance of seeing more than one fish of that stamp. So let's see how we get on. We're gonna get that other rod set up, guys, and I'll bring you back when I'm getting it out there. Getting a little rattle here, guys. It's definitely a schoolie. Give it a minute. Right, this rod's ready to go. Just get lead out my bag. There we go. That's perfect. And this one can go out there as well. Got both rods out there. Obviously, if it's going to be schoolie after schoolie after schoolie, I'm not going to show you guys that. The target today is a nice sizable bass. Obviously, it's still that time of year, guys. We can't take them home, but I want to see a nice bass. It'd be cracking if we can, wouldn't it? There's someone I want to thank on here. I received a parcel through the door, and it was oh, getting a bite over there, and it was from Matt Selwood from Devon. I want to thank you, mate. That was a lovely parcel, and all them bits and bobs really will come in handy. I can't thank you enough, bud. Seems like we had a little rattle on the left-hand rod there, guys. Which we are fishing in very, very, very shallow water at the moment, so we know if we catch something now, it's possibly not going to be of any size, but it'd be good to get the video going for us, wouldn't it? Right, guys, looks like we're getting a bite. Let me set this camera up now. It's daylight, so you can see what's going on here. There we are. It's a nice little pull down we just had there, guys. If you go back in my videos and watch the start of February, we was fishing the reclaimed land, and some of the bites we was having from them small little bass was unbelievable. So it can be very, very, very deceiving. There he is, guys. He could be back. We'll have it in a minute, once we know he's there. Yeah, we got him, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Don't feel half bad either, to be honest with you. Right, guys, just running down to check this out. I think we've got some weed up the line here. Good fish. Good fish. Right, guys, we've started the session off with a cracking bass. Right, guys. Yeah, hey. Right, guys, first fish for us this morning is another cracking bass. Not sure about the state we've got him in, but the best thing to do is get this hook out of him, and we get him back, get some photos and get him back. Well, guys, there he is. The first bass of today. Absolutely beautiful things, isn't they? That's why I come down here early morning, guys. You catch that first light, first fish, absolutely stunning bass. I'm gonna get him photoed and get him swang back, but hopefully we can see a few more like this today. Can't go wrong. Right, guys, let's get him back. Lovely way to start the session for us. Matt's up there, Dad's the other side of the sluice gate, and let's get back into some deeper water here and see him back. Off he goes, guys. There we are. Absolutely brilliant. Only a little rattly give off, it wasn't a big bite, but it's the first fish, guys. We've just got that rod back out there. Before that lead hit the water, the other rod's getting a bite. What a way to start the session. Just have a little clean up so it's standing on my tackle. Let's see if we can see another one like that, eh? Early bird gets the worm, as they say. I've not even had time to have my morning coffee yet. So that's what we're going to do now. Going to have a coffee. It's a beautiful morning, guys. It's a lovely morning. The way I look at it, if there's time to sleep, it's time to fish, isn't there? I'm going to get that right hand rod in, guys, and we're going to check that because it's been tapping away for a while. first. That's better than it was the other day. I had no milk in it the other day. Absolutely gutted. Right, let's check this rod, guys. Nah, it feels pretty empty, this one does. We'll cast off this wall now, guys. We're not, the water isn't, it's just at our feet. It's coming real quick. Just in the middle of that channel that runs out. I was saying to Matt, that bass we had, it must have been in a foot of water, half a foot of water. Not deep at all. It's coming up time, we're going to check the left hand rod. Let's get it in and we'll check the baits. Matt's just had a cracking bite. Yeah, nothing on this, guys. Try and keep on top of it. Daylight come around pretty quick, isn't it? Dad's had a good bite. Matt's had a good bite. So we've got the first tide today is at 8 o'clock. It's about 20 past 7 now. And the second tide's about 10:30. So we're going to fish it up to that and then fish the runoff. Let's see what we can do, people. See what we can do. I mean, we've had a lovely bass already. I'd like to see the others catch one. Let's get it back out there. Yeah, so currently you guys are watching a part 2 of fishing here. If you haven't seen part 1, go back and check it out. But that's what I'm going to try and do. If we've gone to a place like this and we've caught a fish, I'm going to try and part 1, part 2 it, and then we'll find somewhere else. We'll see how we get on there, and we'll do the same. I was just about to bring you back and say it's gone a bit quiet on the bite front, but we just had a hell of a slam down on that left-hand rod. Let's push our luck, guys. Push our luck, and we'll see. Yeah, I'm not too sure, guys, where we're going to go next. I think maybe Calshot Castle and have another shot for a thornback. I think it's definitely a good idea. Try and change it up a little. Maybe go back behind the power station, have a go behind there. I ain't a lot to say so far, guys. The way it started off this morning, we thought we was going to be in for an action-packed session, but it's turning out it's not going to be that way, which is alright, I suppose. Doesn't matter. But we're going to keep sticking it out. But for now, I'm going to sit back, relax, have a coffee. If I ain't broke my flask by then, and I'll bring you guys back shortly. Certainly gone very quiet. So we're going to check these baits and have a little look. God, there's a horrible snag out there. Bit of weed or something. That wind's picked up. It's blown an absolute hoolie. But this time it's coming from behind us. Right, let's get some new bait on this. Ooh. Definitely is cold. Right, here it goes. That's that rod done, guys. Let's check this one and get some fresh baits on it. It really is cold, can't feel my ass. Right, okay. We'll take a walk on over in a minute, see how Matt's getting on, go see how Dad's getting on. Morning, all right. Yeah, we've had 2 bass between us this morning. So, It's been a good one. Take care. Always got to speak to the locals, guys. Oh, nearly took his lips off. There's a bloke come past me on a bike I did not see. I'm swinging a lead around. That would have been good, wasn't it? That would have been the biggest catch of the day. Excuse me, mate, you've hooked my helmet. Right, here we are. 2 fresh baits out there, guys. All we can do now is hope and pray. Let's go find out how everyone's getting on. The old man seems he's into something. What you got there, Shaq?
What's got bass here, mate?
Yeah, perfect. Lovely. Well, they're still there then.
Yeah, bites all the time here.
Lovely. Seems a bit slow for me and Matt over there, but I'm sure it'll pick up.
Nice little bass.
Yeah, perfect. Lovely job. Well, there we are, guys. So that's 3 fish today. Just gonna find out how Matt's getting on. You getting on?
Good, mate.
Yeah? You loving it?
Oh, yeah. It's freezing though.
It is, isn't it? It's Baltic.
I've got icicles in places men shouldn't have icicles.
They're dangling down low, are they?
They certainly are. Yeah, the only thing that's biting is the wind.
Yeah, it's freezing, isn't it?
Yeah.
But
Better than being sat at home doing nothing though.
yeah, it is, mate. It is. It
He had
certainly
one,
is. Hey?
He had one, did he?
Yeah, little schoolie. But we'll just keep on plugging away.
Yeah, you got to be in it to win it.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, so that's a little update for you.
Not a lot to say.
There ain't, is there? But we'll keep you guys in tune with it, and let's hope we can see a couple more, eh? We've had a bite. It looked like quite a nice little bite there, Matt, didn't it?
They're coming back, mate. They're coming back.
They're coming back. You all watch your rod. We've had a seal swim by. Be nice if he come back. That was quite a nice little bite. Just after that bait change we've just had, I think he might have had the worm. But I don't want to pull it out too soon, guys, in case I'm wrong. There's quite a bit of worm he put on there, so we'll give it a minute, and if not, we'll get a fresh bait out there. God, the sun's out, it's lovely. It's beautiful. The only thing that's letting it down is the wind. I think I need to check that bait, guys. I think I need to check that bait. I was just saying, Matt, to the camera before we had that bite, I reckon the next time we're going to see a bite when the tide was running out. As I turned the camera off, turned all the mic off on that, there it goes.
Yeah.
Sod's law.
Happens every time.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, I'll get a sausage roll out. Every time I have a sausage roll, I seem to get a bite.
know what you need to do then?
Go on.
Bring a load of sausage rolls.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That's it, they're a muncher.
As I said, we're just going to plug away for now. As long as them baits are out there, guys, we got a chance. I could have another fish here, guys. I could have another fish here. I see the bite. Oh no. I saw the bite. Oh! Oh!
Dip in there.
Oh!
Look at the size of that.
Hello! Oh, wow, guys, you wouldn't believe what I've just caught from up here. Oh, wow. God. You wait till I get this to show you guys.
Wait that.
I will do. Right, guys, I did not expect to see him. Well, there we are, guys. On the last video, you're commenting about the flounder. And I've just gone and seen a lovely, cracking sized flounder. I'm over the moon with that. I'm going to get this guy photoed up and get him back. I've got to weigh him up, I think. Look at that. But there we are, guys. I saw the bite to start with, and I didn't have the camera set up. I thought the camera was recording and it was filming the ball behind me, so I had to spin it back round again. Let's get this guy on hook and get a photo of him. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with that. Amazing. Well, guys, there we have it. There is that flounder I've just caught. I'm absolutely over the moon with that. What a cracking fish. I'll get some photos of him and then we'll get him back safely. But I did not expect to see that. I really, really didn't. Let's just go get him back. I'm absolutely over the moon with this. I really, really am. Oh, go on, mate. Off he goes, guys. There he goes. Wow. Well, there we have it, guys. Absolutely cracking. Guys, it is going off here. That's just had an absolute ripping bite. Unbelievable. That was a seriously nice bite, wasn't it? Let's hope he's still on there. Right, you take that for me back. It's another good bass. Right.
Lovely bass. Look at that.
Absolutely cracking.
Can you take a photograph?
I can indeed, Dad. Yeah. Matt's got another cracking bass over there as well, guys. Well, guys, there we are. It's going off. It's going off. Matt's going to bring his fish over in a second. Well done, Dad. Well done, Matt. Absolutely brilliant. I'm going to get that right and rod in, bait changed up, and get it back out there, and we can start hitting this harder. This is unbelievable fishing. It really is cracking. Wow.
Look at this one.
Oh, mate, what a session, isn't it? What a session.
That right, isn't it?
There we are, guys. And this is why I love bringing you guys along with me as well, because all this is memories, you know. You can always look back on these moments. I mean, what a cracking day it's turned out to be. It slowed down for a while, and then all of a sudden, all three of us deliver. Absolutely crazy. How you getting on?
Yeah, not bad, mate. Not bad.
Say hello, mate. Come on.
Hello. How you doing?
This is Dan. Absolutely a legend, mate. A hero of the sea. Completely.
Oh, quite a hero.
Well, you are, mate.
We do alright, don't we?
Well, mate, you go out there and you save lives.
That's what it's about, mate. Yeah,
And,
I saw on Facebook you're up early, thought he's definitely down there.
Yeah. We're here, bud.
Gotta be, mate. Right, it's good to see you. I'm going to go.
Yeah,
pick
you
up
too,
my
mate.
number. Take her easy, yeah?
Yeah, you too, Dan.
Fly, mate.
You take care, brother. That's my mate Dan, an absolute hero. He volunteers for the RNLI and he works for the Solent Coast Guard. I think he's an absolute legend. Amazing people. It's gone a little bit quiet again. Just a little bit. But this happened earlier. It went quiet before it kicked off again. I reckon we've got about half hours left fishing before there's no water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a bait change on both rods, put all my worms up the hook, and yeah, we'll see if we can have a fish on the last cast. Who knows, guys, who knows? But it's definitely been a cracking session, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the rods in, fresh baits, get it back out there, and I'll bring you guys back shortly. Well, guys, that is the end of that session, and I think it was an absolute stonker, wasn't it?
It was a banger, yeah.
We've all finished with 2 fish each.
Yep.
So yeah, guys, head on over to Matt's channel. All the gear, no idea. He's a cracking bloke, and you can see this video from his side if you do that.
Yep.
So yeah, and I think it was a good
really
session.
Good session for a daytime session this time of year. Yeah, brilliant.
It was.
Worth getting up, almost worth getting up early for, wasn't it?
Well,
4
mate.
o'clock.
Well,
I was
there
up
is
before
plenty.
the birds, man.
There is plenty more of these to come if you fancy it, mate.
Yeah,
But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a like, hype, comment. It's up to you. A sub. It all goes a long way. And we're going to call that there.
Yep. See you later, guys. See you later.
Catch you in the next one.